Assalamualaikum. My name is Gulshan Education Wali and I am student of Rehan School System of Level 2. Today I am here with another TEDx Talk review, that is Aaron Mackin TEDx Talk that is titled The Joy of Lexicography. Lexicography. In this TEDx Talk, um Aaron McCain delivered this TEDx talk in 2007. This 15 minutes TED Talks, having a humorous, debunks myths. She debunks myths about dictionaries, arguing that they are not word police but playful records of usage. McCain shares quirky examples like defenestration, which means is throwing out a window, advocates loving and using new words to make them real, and critics paper dictionaries limits, pushing for digital innovation like Wordnik. If I say something about Erin McKean, she is a prominent lexicographer, best known as the founder of Wordnik, a comprehensive online dictionary that is aiming to make every English word lookupable, including rare ones not in traditional dictionaries. She previously served as editor in chief of American Dictionaries at Oxford University Press, where she edits the new Oxford American Dictionary, that is the second edition, and has worked on projects like Verbatim, the Language Quarterly. McKean is also an author of books on weird words and novels like The Secret Lives of Dresses, with columns in outlets like the Boston Globe and Wall Street Journal. If I say something about this TEDx talk, Aaron Mecken explores how dictionaries are made, why traditional ones pull short, and how lexicography, that is the art of compiling dictionaries, can be full of joy, discovery, and creativity. Instead of seeing dictionaries as rigid authorities, she invites us to think of them as evolving tools shaped by usage and human ingenuity. Uh, at this point, one question is arised: what is lexicography? Lexicography is the practice of compiling dictionaries, collecting words, meanings, and usage. Mackin talks about the joy and fun in this process. Traditional paper dictionaries haven't changed much since the Victorian era, yet language constantly evolves. Mackin compares lexicographers to fishermen searching the ocean of English for words rather than policing which words are good, policing which words are good or bad. This metaphor highlights exploring and discovering over gatekeeping. She uses a funny metaphor about throwing away the butt of a ham just because that's how it's always done, showing how dictionaries sometimes exclude perfectly good words due to arbitrary rules. The shape of a book restricts how many words and meanings we can include, Digital tools and crowdsourced contributions can help create richer, more representative dictionaries. Mackin suggests that if people use and love a word, that makes it real, not whether it appears in a dictionary. Aaron McKean is a renowned American lexicographer and founder of the online dictionary WordNet. She was previously editor-in-chief of American dictionaries at Oxford University that I described in the start, and she has authored books as blogs about words and language. She have an interest in it and she delivers it in a very wonderful way. Thank you so much.